Hello, welcome to iTechnolabs, where innovation meets excellence. Today, we'll guide you through the essential steps to bring your own revolutionary pharmacy app like GoodRx. Step 1. Ideation and research. Begin your journey with a collaborative exploration. Define your app's purpose, target audience, and unique selling points. Step 2. Conceptual design. Watch as the design team transforms ideas into visual concepts, creating an aesthetically pleasing and user-friendly blueprint for your pharmacy app. Step 3. Agile development. Utilize an iterative approach to ensure your pharmacy app evolves rapidly and adapts to changing requirements. Step 4. Rigorous testing. Your app's reliability is our priority. The quality assurance team meticulously tests every aspect, guaranteeing a seamless and secure user experience. Step 5. Launch and marketing. Celebrate the grand launch of your pharmacy app. Guide your strategic marketing to ensure your app reaches its intended audience effectively. Ready to transform your pharmacy app idea into reality? Contact iTechnolabs, a leading mobile app development company. Follow these steps with iTechnolabs, and let's make your mark in the world of healthcare technology. Thanks for watching.